Hello, this is hf Security. Now we introduce our Android fingerprint time attendance and door access control. It is Android 6. It is a 5-inch touchscreen with camera, capacitive fingerprint scanner, and the card reader can read the IC card. It supports 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, and so on, like the mobile phone. You can install the Android app you want. We supply the software and the SDK for the further development. Now we introduce our simple demo OnePass. Password is 1010. Login. And you can see the menu, the records, user information, system setting, network setting, data upload and download about the device. Now we enroll the user. Enroll. ID setting. Name. And for the type, you can set the general or management. Now we set the general. Enroll the fingerprint. Here we install the 2 fingerprint for the backup. Now we enroll the 3 fingerprint. First one. Twice. Second finger. Enroll OK. Third finger. Enroll succeed. Now take the photo. Also can read the card. Now we save. You can identify the fingerprint. Pass. That's all. Thank you.